Good morning, guys. We start Halloween and rice hay again. Wow, this is the last rice hay here. Then yesterday, I think on the other day, they harvested here. And then now we're going to get some rice hay. That's a big pile there. So many cows there. It is April. What's the day today? I forgot. What's the day today, Daily? April
8th. Monday, day.
Yeah, it is April 8th, guys, Monday. So we woke up early because early it's so nice to work here, getting some hay. But according to Philip, they're gonna be a whole day picking up rice hay today because this is their last harvest here. Then and no more rice hay. So I'll be back, guys. So Philip will go now get some gas. I will just stay here because I think there's somebody who gonna get some rice hay there. Like white truck, big truck. We passed by a while ago, then they're picking up the rice hay. Everything they pick. That's a big truck. Then I'll just stay here to guard this hay. Might be when we come back, no more hay. We get a big truck, really. So I will stay here. And guard stay here and said don't get this hay. So anyway, they still have a lot more pile over there. We have so many pile there, but I need to watch this one. I think they're waiting for me here. Hi, cow. Good morning, cow. This is skinny cow. Back here. Then they will get some hay, and then I said we will get here. So they'll just go. Thank you. That's a big, a very, very nice idea. A big truck. So good thing that I stay here. So see, I just said we will get this one, then they just go there and run. So okay, deal. The guys here. That's a big truck. Good thing that I said here, what's the hay? Very nice big truck. Once only. I think they're gonna pick this one all. So this is our pile here, guys. Nobody can touch it. You know, this is the last, rather, it's gonna be the last hay. So we need to get this one all. Philip said today, all. And yeah, they can really get all because they have a big truck. So they're pretty smart. Very, very smart. And I think everybody's almost some of the smart Filipino hay, they know it already that this hay is It is so important. A lot of things you can do here, especially for a fertilizer, organic fertilizer. Makes your compost very effective. I am just sitting here next to the road there, waiting for Philip and the rest of the guys so they can haul again the rice hay. I am watching the rice. I am watching the rice hay here, guys. It's so funny, really. And yeah, it's first come first serve, diba? So just sitting here in the rock while waiting to Philip here. I'll be back, guys.